In this review, remote-controlled cars are definitely fun, but we all have our own preferences and playing with the common RC toy cars can get boring at times. If you're someone like me, who prefer outside adventures, rocks, dirt and the sun, rock crawlers are a lot more fun and exciting. These bad boys can handle uneven surfaces and rocky terrain. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Review Findlay present Top 5 Best RC Rock Crawler for Beginners. Let's get started. Number 5. Axial Capra 4WD RC Rock Crawler. If you are searching for a RC rock crawler for beginners, the Axial Capra 4WD RC Rock Crawler review on our list is ideal for you. In such cases that you have noted that other RC crawlers have not displayed powerful climbing action according to the hyped-up promises of the claims that indicated that the RC crawlers could perform super well in terms of climbing, then your disappointment will be over when you invest your time, money and energy in getting the Axial Capra 1.9 Unlimited RC Rock Crawler. Truly, this rock crawler has been designed to keep climbing superbly well every time during usage. Your focus will be glued to this vehicle with thrilling amazement, as you delight in watching this strong and rugged RC rock crawler climb over many different types of objects without any struggles. The tires are made of rubber and are noted as being of high caliber. This is proven by the fact that these tires do not skid and they are, indeed, shockproof. Number 4. Redcat Racing Electric Rock Crawler. If you have found that other RC crawlers that you have tried have not demonstrated a terrific climbing ability, though there were claims made that they could climb ultra well, you will surely not be disappointed when you get the Redcat Racing Everest 10 RC Rock Crawler. Indeed, the Redcat Racing Company knows that you want an RC rock crawler that can climb really well, which is why this amazing rock crawler is designed to do that. It is as if this vehicle has a mind that is focused on climbing and performing well at all times. The rubber tires on this RC crawler are made to be high caliber, which is demonstrated by the fact that they are shockproof and skid-proof. This vehicle is able to handle monumental climbing challenges due to the fact of each wheel being provided with its own suspension spring, which makes watching this machine crawl almost insurmountable obstacles a real boost of adrenaline excitement. Number 3. Legendary Large RTR RC Rock Crawler. If you are the kind of person who loves to get an adrenaline rush from high speeds, then you will be impressed by the high speed of the legendary 110 Large RTR RC Rock Crawler. This great quality RC rock crawler is noteworthy in that it provides an exhilarating performance every time with such powerful torque, that many prefer this vehicle because of this quality of torque. That means that you will truly experience some incredibly splendid racing times and will likely see your rock crawler bypass other ones due to its incredible speed of 25 km per hour. The PVC tires of this rock crawler are carefully constructed, so that they provide you with a thrilling experience with no skidding or slipping during high speeds. Moreover, these tires are noted as being shockproof, which allows them to conduct a more augmented level of resistance in regard to collisions. Number 2. Danchi Ridgerock RTR RC Rock Crawler. In such cases that you have experienced some other RC crawlers not having long-lasting power, then you will be pleased when you get the Danchi Ridgerock 110 RTR RC Rock Crawler. This is due to the fact that it will provide a wonderfully thrilling user experience as a result of its long-lasting power during usage every time. Therefore, you can have the peace of mind that this stunning and powerful RC crawler will not easily stall and will not seem sluggish. Therefore, it will truly respond to your various climbing commands, so that you can have a blast of a time watching this strong RC crawler energetically handle the rugged challenges that you put it through every time. You will be pleased that this RC crawler does not easily skid due to the tires having great treads and being flexible with a high level of elasticity in order to be able to easily accommodate various types of terrain. Number 1. SZJJX RC Cars Remote Control Car. The SZJJX RC Cars Remote Control Car are the best RC rock crawler for beginners you can buy this year. When you have been thinking that you need something new and fun to do with the family, then your family will be delighted with the SZJJX 118 Off-Road RC Rock Crawler. This is a fun RC rock crawler that provides much enjoyable amusement for everyone. This RC crawler comes with the provision of a remote control that is highly accurate, as it is sensitive to your commands. Also, the remote control operates on an optimal frequency for 2.4 GHz. You will appreciate the fact that there will not be the experience of jamming. This is an ultra-rugged vehicle that is great to use indoors as well as outdoors. It can handle a wide variety of various terrain scenarios, such as mud, grassland, shallow water, rocky area, slopes, sand and concrete. This vehicle puts out a powerful torque for a great performance every time during usage, which is why this impressive RC crawler is one of the most preferred ones on the market today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.